So here we are. We're at the Capitol Cruise. Got my whip out here. This one over here came parked next to me. They got this 370Z over here. They got that Audi right there. Another Audi right there. Got the black and white Audi. Somebody already revving up, doing the most. Everybody's just waiting. And we got this one over here just chilling, doing its thing, just staying warm. It's sprinkling a little bit out here, if y'all might notice. Might snow later. Oh yeah, we got this Range Rover over here with the lights going on. This one got a little cracky lip. I seen this player earlier right here. What? Oh, that's dope. Look at that. Got the deep lips. Wide flares, as usual. Now this one right here, damn, that should look clean as hell. It's got the fender mirrors. It's got the Hashinos. I think those are Hashinos. Got a little bit of rust right there. Yeah, I got the mirror going on. Look at that. Look at the knob. Look at that. It's got a flower in it. Yeah, this thing ain't focusing. Oh boy. It is gutted. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's gutted. He's trying to do some tricks with it. It's got a good slammage. Yeah, classic. White on white. White on white, red on white. Yeah, that's dope. Oh, white on black, or is that silver? Silver on black. Got this Golf right here. This R3 Deuce. Got that R3 Deuce. Got this one over here. Utah Crew. Ooh. Yeah. Oh man, we don't see this shit too often. It's wild. Oh, it's an NX 2000. Yeah. Look at the fitment on this one right here.
I like this.
That's some good fitment. How dare you air out on me? Oh man, look at those tail lights. Jeez. Oh, that's bad. I gotta come back to that. Let's go in closer here. Look at the fitment on this thing right here. Fitment looking good. Salty and reckless. That's how all of us is. That's all of us. And it's the Booty Patrol. Yeah. It's a type sizzle. Oh, look at the flares on this thing. Jeez.
What did you think I was talking about?
Woof.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, this thing got lip. Definitely love the lip. Oh, you can't see the Libras though. That look good. What's up, man? Oh, got the Fox body over here.
She gets the works done.
Oh,
That little motor makes a
the
lot of
Cobra.
She gets the works done.
It's nice and warm too. That light, that comes with it right there?
Oh yeah, that's OEM.
Damn, dude. Okay, I didn't know that.
They all got them.
They all got them?
They all
I didn't know that. I'm a rookie when it comes to this here.
It makes it look so much nicer, right?
Yeah, you see what you're working on. I know that the old 80, 86, 85 Suburbans,
Yep.
they had the light. So,
The little fender light that holds up.
yeah.
They all got them. My Chevy's got that.
Man. What kind of coilovers you running?
They're Coney single adjustables on coilover setup.
Nice. Wow.
And it's running these cars came 4-lug, it's on 5-lug now with big Cobra brake kit.
So you did the 5-lug conversion?
Oh yeah.
Oh man.
And disc brake rear end.
Disc brake rear end. Is it stiff?
Oh yeah.
Stiff? You don't mind?
Gotta have it.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
I kind of went a little aggressive on spring rates. It's kind of like race car spring rates, but stiff on the streets, but it's still fun.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, dude. This is an 86?
91.
A 91? Fuck, I was way off. Okay.
The 86 was the 4i squared front end.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
87 and up was this front end.
Okay. I like the coupe look on it. I mean, fastbacks are cool, but I like the coupe look. Oh yeah, thank you. Yeah, my light's not working on here. Wow.
Yeah, I try to keep it up.
That's fucking awesome, dude. Good job.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, good job. My name's Jay, man.
Isaac.
Isaac?
Nice to meet you, sir.
Yeah, definitely. I go out to a lot of car meets and car shows.
Yeah.
As much as I can. There's always that one, huh?
Oh yeah. There's always that one GTR.
Cooking. Forgot my marshmallows. I'm gonna try to go catch some more cars, Isaac.
Yes, sir.
Have fun and yeah, be safe. Yes, sir. You too. Got this 350Z over here on some tees. No problem. It's looking good. Yeah, it's got a good stance. Guys, let's go check out some more whips. And everybody's starting to start their shit up in Revity Rev Ford Performance. Got the carbon fiber hood. Got this one over here chilling, going to sleep. This one with the big old chin right there. Not bad. Speed freaks. That's it. Coupe life. You got this Evo right here. That Intacula. Fitment looking good. Wow, that fitment looking good. It's a good looking purple. I like it a purple. Look at that. Legends never die, kids. It's good looking blue. Oh, I think I've seen this Lexus before. Black, red, black. It's got OEM wheels. Oh wow, everybody's gathering. How to ruin a meat 101. Ooh, look at this one. Damn. You got that fitment going though. Look at that fitment. Straight flared. Is he bagged out? He's bagged out. Oh shit. Carbon fiber. Okay, got this 370 over here. Merciless. Got another Merciless tag here, banner. Got the chin spoiler. This one is 370. Kind of OEM look. Merciless banner. This one right here, yeah, this one lowered. Oh yeah. Yeah. Man, those wheels, dude. Those wheels. Another one, another Merciless one right here. Oh, we know this one makes noise. Yeah, that's it. Oh, we got a Stang just cruising on by here. He going at it again. Exhaust smells like coleslaw. Jeez. Look at the tip on that. Got the cover. Oh man, look at the Mexi flush. Stepped on tailpipe. He doing the business. He got the noise. More people are flocking. So what we got over here, we got this Stang over here. Oh man, that thing sounds like it's out of gas and out of time. Oof. Over here at the Cinemark Draper. Everybody's out here. Vasa Fitness, Empire Walk, and all this stuff. There used to be a spot over here called Leatherheads, and where you can get like a drink. Maybe it's over there. Whew. Maybe it's over there. Damn, this shit ain't clear. That's boo-boo, man. All right, off to this side right here. All the Edgar haircuts with the Hondas and the Subarus. I talked to this homie earlier, Bruce. Talked to Bruce earlier. What we got here? Brew 1UZ. Yeah. Trying to get his radio going. Oh, what's up, player? Got this FRS. Somebody over there sounding tired. Oh, look at this. This cop over here, he's doing his thing. Yeah. Better watch out, boys. The cops out here to suck you off. Especially the Jeep guys. Look at that. See that? Told you. Oh, the Stang boy being loud. Okay. Look at that. Everybody departing. Do it. I dare you. I dare you. Oh, yeah. The cop went over that way. Look at this thing all dumped, man. Got a purpley one over here. Oh, somebody's already revving over there. There they go. He's got the crackless. He's got the crackless. I hear it coming from over there. Oh, homie coming back around. Oh yeah, got the Challenger over there. It's getting this thing going. Oof. Oh yeah, this is the two-face one. That's right. What do we got over here? Oh, come on, man. Get out of the way. Dang, that thing is lifted. Lifted and the hood is popped and everything. They're over here beating. Yeah. That's when it's about over right here. Oh yeah, this Lexo right here. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Yep. They straight up ruined it for everybody. Look at that. really good seeing you.
Yeah,
man.
bro.
So we'll see each other in the future.
Okay, sounds good. I don't know, maybe next week or something.
Hell yeah, or even more. So here come the pull. Oh, they got the ghetto bird out. Oh, damn. Like, there's nothing up there. Yeah, so people revving up, cops is showing up, lights going off. We hear some choppers going off. Is that a super? That it is. Oh shit. There we go. There it is. Yeah, there's a chopper going on up there. Look at everybody revving off now. Yep, it's time for everybody to skedaddle. And where I parked is out church. Look at that. Man, well, it's a good night. Got rained out. No cruise. I wasn't gonna go on the cruise anyways. A lot of stars showing up. This one, oof, yeah. God dang it. Yeah, I like it, that one. This one right here. Yeah, you don't see these ones too often right here. Not anymore. Oh my God. Look at the wheels on this thing. You serious? SC430 with the wheels poking out. Crazy. Oh, where you going? All right. Let's get up out of here, man. Y'all have a good night, man. Thanks for watching SLUT Car Meets. Yay!